Hello, my name is Hannah Karash. Then I've chosen to talk about energy because it's a big subject in physics. My first question is, what's energy? The fact that we use this term in our daily life and in many ways. For example, athletes use energy in sports. We could say that there are some companies which supply with electricity, natural gas, heating fuels, etc. All of them are called energy companies. But scientists and engineers use this term more precisely. They said that it's something you can create that as you can destroy. And they add that energy is always conserved, adding to all that, it keeps transferring from one form to another. But I choose to talk more precisely about the potential energy and the kinetic energy and the relation between them. Then I've chosen one situation, throwing an object into the air. It's a situation which represents when the total energy is fixed and there is a continuous transferring from potential energy to kinetic energy. First, we got the object here on my hand. There is no potential energy as there is no kinetic energy. The second thing is when the object is tossed into the air, as we see now. Wait a minute. When it's tossed, it will reach a maximum height. This height is determined by how kinetic energy it has. That's the second thing. And the third thing is when the objects I've got here reach the maximum height. It means that all the energy it gets is at the potential system. That's because its velocity is its velocity, of course. And the last thing is when the objects up here falls into the floor. It means that all the potential energy it has will be transferred to the kinetic energy to fall into the floor, like we've seen now. And now we've seen the situation below. It was about throwing an object into the air. Now, finally, I'm gonna talk about something about kinetic energy and potential energy. First, the kinetic energy is the half of mv
square.
Means that, and I mean by that m represents the object's mass, and v is the velocity of the objects I've got here, with the objects we throw it. It means that the kinetic energy is proportional to two things: the mass and the velocity of the objects which is thrown. And the last thing is the gravitational potential energy. It's mgh. I mean, as I've said the last time, m represents the object's mass, and g is the acceleration due to the gravity, and finally, h is the maximum height, or the height. And that was all. I hope you loved it, and thanks for watching.